Okay, so and they have a solve Leetcode 217, right? Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct, right? Basically we all my numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 my numbers be brave, right? Say number no ibia will move more than once, right? If any of the numbers appears more than once, then it means a duplicate will, right? In a mature say return true if the value appears at least twice. It is a duplicate from the easiest way, right? So when him sets like if you have a whole list of numbers now per se, find only the unique numbers out of them. You can use sets. But we in Python, the easiest way to do it is to compare the length of the numbers, right? So you do length of nums, right, is equal to length of sets, because you converted same numbers now nums, right? Say duplicates from a be duplicates name from nature bako, like say 2 a be 2 name from nakabako. If so used to set in this all year na say way is equal to way, which means a duplicate be any, right? Into a bit true, no duplicates. But the question is return true if, right, any value appears at least, right? Into say equal to which means need na there are no way. But yes, I just say yes, you true. You true. Say you true are returning false, right? Into basically set say number no will double sets be doubles na from which abako and just say a woman doubles 4 a be 4 from naka 4 into no yen say this is a very simple O of n solution. Another solution now so I more code, no, you can use dictionaries or hash tables as people call it, right? And no, we are basically the area and say you're counting numbers, no, right? And you can say in memo, right? No, I say right dictionary. For every number in nouns, right? You memo, you best store memo noun is equal to memo dot gets num 0 plus 1, right? If memo num is greater than 1, return true because duplicates will. So when you be and I just returning false. This one will also be correct. Well, so my main go through where a memo, right? You say you set up dictionary. It's called memo. Number be near setting up a key value for it. So number no this we used to get on a dictionary is just saying says and if that value no any more for count a set value no equal to 0, right? Plus 1. Right, say any more setting equal to 0, now the 1. Basically that's what you say. So here that's a number no brought 12. Basically memo no is counting the frequency, right? It counted the number of times the dish one is counting the number of times nums appear. At any point in time, if sad way is more than 1, it means a true. there are duplicates in there, so it's going to return true. This one too is also a good solution. This one is also more understandable, even though I have more lines of code. We will be more, a bit more more with this one. More prefer complex ones, so you can use that as solution. So yeah, I will say now to my solve Leetcode duplicate numbers in